Ex-smoker advice for smoker. I am a 51-year-old male and was a heavy smoker from Jakarta, Indonesia. I started to smoke at the age of 15th and quit at 49th. So I have smoked for 34 years. I have tried all brands, local to imported, filtered and non-filtered. My daily consumption is around 32 to 48 non-filtered cigarettes. As a smoker, I used to promise to quit smoking and have difficulty complying, such as I promised my wife to stop smoking when we have our first child, difficult to comply. I promised my wife to quit smoking when we have our second child, still not able to comply. I promised my wife to not smoke inside the house, yet another issue to comply with. I promised my wife to reduce the number of cigarettes consumed. This is the worst, I've got even more per day. Usually, the media or other means of information channel will inform that smoking can lead to serious health issues. Start with cigarettes that contain rocket substances to lung cancer, or even lead to death. None of them mention the special habits that could worsen the situation. Allow me to share my experiences with that kind of habit. Please be aware that it is based on my own experience, and not supported by medical knowledge whatsoever. Should you need a piece of medical information background, you could contact your doctor. This information will not mean that you won't be getting a serious health issue. This information should be used as supplemental knowledge. Without further ado, let's start with the habit mentioned. Breathing through the mouth, not through the nose. When smoking, usually the smoker will take a breath through the mouth. This will lead to the habit of getting air through the mouth and not through the nose even when not smoking. Try to get used to getting the air through your nose when not smoking. Swallowing less or rarely. Smokers usually have a dry mouth due to smoking and less or rarely swallow. Try to change this habit by swallowing the saliva, or drinking one sip of water at least every 10 minutes, when you are conscious. Stop smoking by reducing daily consumption. Don't even try to stop smoking this way. This way will only lead to adding more cigarettes to your daily consumption. Stop directly without further excuse. There are two ways to stop smoking, the hard way or the easy way. The hard way is trying to stop smoking by eliminating all cigarette consumption for 6 to 12 months straight, and the easy way is you must stop smoking due to serious health issues. In my case, the hard way is the option, and my serious health issue are heart failure, don't care and still smoking. This is due to the fact that I am a smoker and never do exercise. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, still don't care and still smoking. If I am smoking, there will be no feeling of hungry, so my stomach is not used to grinding a portion of food and my acid sensor become unaware. Pneumothorax, no other option, stop immediately. This is due to the fact that every smoker's lung is so sensitive to the rapid/sudden change of temperature around. From hot to freeze to hot temperature. Thank you all for listening to my experience. You have been an amazing viewer.